Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free trial subscriptions through event sponsorship promotions at conferences, festivals, or virtual events, follow these step-by-step instructions to claim these exclusive offers. Step 1. Research upcoming events in your areas of interest, such as technology conferences, industry trade shows, music festivals, gaming conventions, or professional networking events that feature corporate sponsors. Step 2. Visit event websites to review the list of sponsors and exhibitors, as many companies offer free trial promotions exclusively to event attendees as part of their sponsorship packages. Step 3. Register for events that interest you, whether they're in-person or virtual. Virtual events often provide the same promotional benefits as physical attendance while being more accessible. Step 4. Check your event registration confirmation email for sponsor offers, promotional codes, or instructions on accessing exclusive attendee benefits from event partners. Step 5. During the event, visit sponsor booths or virtual exhibitor halls where company representatives distribute promotional materials, including free trial codes and subscription offers to attendees. Step 6. Participate in sponsor activities such as product demonstrations, presentations, or social media contests that often reward participation with extended free trial access. Step 7. Collect business cards, flyers, or digital promotional materials from sponsors that include unique codes or redemption links for attendee-exclusive free trials. Step 8. After the event, redeem your collected promotional codes by visiting sponsor websites and following their activation instructions. Many event-specific codes offer longer trial periods than publicly available offers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.